Here I have Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for it, like you can select days on which it will be active, start time of the schedule, end time. You can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can display options for hidden notifications, like you can disable only sound from notifications, or you can disable visuals and sound, or you can customize it for yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.